What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Major shout out to Veyelash Factory for sponsoring this video. I am showing off all of the goodies that come in their beginner eyelash extension kit. Every single thing that your heart may desire, and even things that you may not even think that you would need, are in this kit. From even this, like, organizing to know which one you're going to be able to put where. All of it, you know, I'm not an eyelash tech, so I don't really know all the specific names for every single tool or you know, device that's in this kit. But you guys, my mannequin also came in the kit and she does not have any lashes. So what am I going to do? Of course, we are going to apply some lashes to her and we are going to begin the tutorial. I always see the lash techs that are always brushing the eyelashes up. So what am I going to do? I'm going to brush the eyelashes up. I have this little ring that I put the eyelash glue in. This kit does come with 2 pre-made volume fan eyelashes. So you see the ones that I'm actually using, you see the ones off to the side, and then there are some individuals, so you can create your own fans if you would like. Now you guys, this is me going in fully unaware of how to use these tweezers, these different tools, knowing how to really apply the lashes. I was just going in, I bust open this kit and was like, I'm about to go for it. Completely no knowledge on how to apply lashes, y'all. This is so crazy. Look at me struggling, like real life struggling, child. Like, I know, oh my god, this is cringe. This is so cringe for those who actually do lashes and they're like, girl, what are you doing? You're not even holding this right. And the funny thing is, I completed this entire eyelash, this one eyelash, to what I felt like I could do. And then I waited maybe like a couple days and came back to it, because one thing that I know about the services about doing lashes is it's very tedious. And that's why I don't think I would ever bring it into my spa. But this was so much fun to do at home. And kudos and a huge pat on the back to all the ladies and men who are lash techs and do this, because I'm not doing this, okay? I'm just so not doing this. It was fun though. I am going to work on this eyelash for about another 2 minutes of what I edited down to. Y'all, this took forever. And the sad part is they look a freaking mess. So the fact that it took forever, they didn't come out looking good. And it's just like, sis, what is you doing? Like, this is seriously how a lot of people start. They have no education, they have no training, no certifications, no licenses, no nothing. And then they go work on real people's eyes. Y'all, please do not be one of those. Do not be one of those, okay? Take your time and work on these mannequins, work on, you know, dummies, work on fake eyelashes until you know that your craft is safe enough to be able to work on someone's real eyeballs, like for real, okay? Because this glue was everywhere. And it was crazy. I really felt like I was playing arts and crafts, okay? So as you can see, it's just a little bit sped up. I tried to jump around, but not jump around too much to the point where y'all can't see what I'm doing. But I just sped this up. I time-lapsed all of this, and then I began to jump around because I was getting so frustrated with that one side. Yeah, I'm gonna let this ride out and then y'all see the difference. I actually came back, like I said, maybe a day or 2 days later, and started to work on the other eyelash. Now, y'all, what made the biggest difference was I actually brought the fans a little bit closer to the eyelash band, and I seen a clip on Instagram of someone performing, you know, lashes extensions, and I was holding this tweezer the wrong way the entire time and had no clue and was wondering why I was struggling so bad. As you can see the glue down below. I know in reality that clients' eyelashes and skin will be protected by the tape and the eyelash pads, but still, y'all, look at this. Look at me coming back the next day looking like a professional. Ooh, I can do this now. This really had me feeling like I could go out here, take a course or two, watch a couple more videos, and be performing some lash extensions. I was super proud of myself and the amazing difference in which I had made in only like a couple days. So y'all let me know if y'all perform this service. How long did it take for you to get comfortable to actually perform the service on, you know, real people, or did you just jump right in? Are you still training? Who was helpful in, you know, perfecting your craft, whether it was an influencer, a professional, what? Give me the tea, because y'all, I might be opening up some new services. So at this point I am finished and I'm going back in with this brush. As you can see, they are brushing so smoothly versus the other side. The other side, the lashes were coming completely off or just getting kind of tangled up in the brush. This is so beautiful, y'all. I feel like I don't even know how to put this into words. I'm just so astonished on the humongous difference in which, like, look at this side. This side was still mad crumply. Like, ew, don't go to her. Go to the other girl. Go to the other girl. Go to this girl, okay? Don't go to the other girl. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video. Once again, thank you so much, Veyelash Factory, for sending me this bundle. This was by far one of my most enjoyable videos I've done in a very long time because it's a new service. I was super excited. It's new to me. It's fresh. I still have a long way to go if I do plan on offering this service, but this was so much fun. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video. All the details down below. Also a discount code, so do not miss out. Bye, y'all.